podcast that how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So today this is Hashita Singhal, a student of class 8th Halite in a great school, means I am talking about Kana Public School. Today I am here with a new topic of Mangal Pandey from Meerut to Delhi. So let's start it. On 8th April 1857, a young soldier Mangal Pandey was hanged to death for attacking his officers in Barakpur. Some days later, some sepoys of the regiment at Meerut refused to do the army drill using the new cartridges which were coated with the fat of cows and pigs, which was against of their religion. 85 sepoys were dismissed from their service and sentenced to death and 10 years in jail for disobeying their officers. This happened on 9 May 1857. The response of the other Indian soldiers in Meerut was quite extraordinary. On 10 May, the soldiers marched to the jail in Meerut and released all the imprisoned sepoys. They attacked and killed the British officers. They captured guns and ammunition and set fire to the buildings and properties of the Britishers and declared war on the Firangis. The soldiers were determined to bring an end to the rule in the country, but who would rule the land instead? The soldiers had an answer of this question. The Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar. The sepoys of Meerut rode all night of 10 May and at the Delhi they reached the early hours. On the news of their arrival spread, the regiments of stationed in Delhi also rose up in rebellion. Again, British officers were killed and arms and ammunition were seized from them. Buildings of the fire, triumphant soldiers gathered around the walls of the Red Fort and demanded to meet Bahadur Shah Jafar. But the Bahadur Shah Jafar was not quite willing to challenge the mighty British power, but the soldiers persisted. They forced their way into the palace and proclaimed Bahadur Shah Jafar as the aging emperor had to accept this demand. He wrote letters to all the chiefs and rulers of the country to come forward and organize a confederacy of the Indian states to fight the British. The single step taken by Bahadur Shah Jafar had a great implications. The Mughal dynasty had ruled over a large very part of the country. Most similar rulers and chieftains controlled different territories on behalf of the Mughal ruler, threatened by the expansion of the British rule. Many of them were saying the Mughal emperor could rule again. They too had to be able to rule their own territories once more to the Mughal authority. The British had not expected this to happen. They thought that the disturbance caused by the cartridges will soon die down, but this didn't happen. The single decision of the Bahadur Shah Jafar changed all the rebellion decisions dramatically. Often when people see an alternative dramatically ability, they feel inspired and enthused. It gives them courage, hope and confidence to act. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope you all like this video. Like, share and comment it.